Hi there, so today we got in our tower garden, our home tower garden, and we're gonna show you the process of getting it all out and putting it together. So when they come, if you are getting the light kit as well, you're gonna get 2 boxes of things when you order your tower garden. So we'll pull this up real quick. Your light kit is broken up into these LED bars.
Just don't throw it my direction, we're good.
And then this is the main unit that has your timer. You'll hook these in. This sits on top. This has your timer. We'll explain this a little bit more when we put it all together. But this is what keeps your light going on your tower day in and day out.
You also get a set of instructions with it.
Now, look at this way. This is how they've packed everything in for you. That's how it all is able to fit into one box.
You also have your tower garden nutrients, A and B.
Casters.
Instructions. Rockwool. Rockwool's the best.
Alright. We got our base. And in the very bottom, our 3-section cave, 3-section cage. And your base for your reservoir, where your pump will go, all your parts here, the pump, and essentially, you can hold that one. You can imagine when we put this totally together, it's going to stack on top of itself up to the top, and then we've got the regular size and then the smaller ones for the herbs, microgreens, whatever you want to put in there.
For your microgreens.